Hi, my name is Jill Coster from Shawnigan Lake, BC, out here on Vancouver Island. I'm reviewing the Hard Top Canvas Skyline 10 by 12 Gazebo. It turned out amazing. It finishes our yard exactly how we wanted. The color is great. It's very sleek and modern looking. Our daughter loves it. It seems to just finish off the space exactly how we pictured. It feels very stable, so we're happy about that. We did anchor it to the ground, but it does. It's exactly what we were picturing for this little concrete pad. So perfect. Thanks, Canadian Tire. I definitely would recommend the Canvas Skyline Hard Top 10 by 12 Gazebo. It turned out perfect. You need to have a little patience and about a day to set it up and some help from family and friends, but after that you can enjoy it and it feels amazing and it's very stable and it looks great. I would definitely recommend it.